Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fill text with patterns in Canva. All right. As you can see here, when we add in some text, all right, you can't just drag and drop. For example, I'm going to find some patterns right here. All right. See all, maybe this one. We can't just drag and drop it right to the text. So what we're going to do is basically make a vector. All right. For example, I'm going to add in some text like internet. Bob right there, and let's say I'm gonna make it this big at the center. Now for example, I'm gonna save this one, download as PNG. I'm gonna save it on my desktop. All right, as you can see, it has been added on my desktop right here. So what we're gonna do is remove the background. All right, just go ahead over to remove.pg down here, drag and drop, and the background should be gone in no time. All right, let's just wait for it. It's done. So what we're going to do is just right click and hit on save image as PNG file. Make sure that it is set to PNG. All right, rename this one like no background. Save. Now what we're going to do next is open up another web browser or another tab. We're going to type in Photopia, hit on enter, and here click on the first link which says Photopia online photo editor. Start. All right, now once you're in here, just drag the text that doesn't have a background. All right, drag right here, and it says it's loading. Now hold Control key on your keyboard, again Control key, then click on the image itself. All right, as you can see here, there is some selection around the text itself. So what we're going to do next is just go ahead over to path or paths, click on it, and hover your mouse into the bottom and click on selection to path. All right, click on it. Now it is highlighted. Now what we're going to do next is go ahead over to layers, click on the background. Now go ahead over to layer again, right here at the top left, click on it. Now go to vector mask. Now select current path. All right, there we have it. And what we're going to do next is to export it. Go ahead over to File, click on File, then go ahead over to Export As. Now select PDF. All right, again PDF. Click on it. Now leave it as is. The settings right here, and just hit on Save. I'm going to save it on my desktop. No background from Photopea or Photopea. I don't know. Just hit on Save. Sorry. X save. All right, there we have our PDF file. What we're going to do next is just go ahead over to Canva again, delete this one. You could upload the PDF file right here. Just wait for it. It's done. Let's go ahead over to the projects or projects tab. Now drag and drop the PDF right here, as you can see. Now what we're going to do next is click the text itself. Click on this delete button. All right, don't worry. Delete and simply select delete image. All right. So what we're going to do is just delete the black interiors right here. All right, I'll show you. Delete. As you can see, we have now a transparent background. Now what we're going to do next is just basically add in some image or patterns. All right, for example, I'm going to go ahead and go to my uploads right here. Let's say, for example, this one, this smoke. I'm just going to drag it right into the text itself. Drag and drop. And there we have it. All right, as easy as that. You could also add your image right here. For example, my photo right here. All right, it's pretty basic. All right, as you can see, maybe this one right here with the letters. And there we have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.